Yo friends, welcome back. It's my pleasure having you here. Let's make breakfast recipe with banana milk baked egg today. Hope you like it. This baked egg is easy to make and is ready in no time. It is nutritious and delicious. Because it is made with original ingredients and no sugar is added, it is suitable for adults and children. Follow my channel and save this recipes now so you can refer this recipe anytime you like in the future. Let's make baked egg together. Banana milk baked egg. Ingredients: banana, eggs, milk. 150, pour 150 milliliters milk. Sliced banana. Place part of the banana sliced separately. This is to place on top egg. Beat egg until frothy and set aside. Sieve egg liquid and pour into bowl with banana sliced. Mash and mix banana and egg liquid. Pour milk and mix evenly. Scoop egg liquid into aluminum tray. Add banana slices on top. Send to oven and roast at 180° 8 minutes. The process of baking eggs is very healing. I kept watching and couldn't bear to leave. Haha. Baked egg is done. Smells so good. It's still very hot now, so please be careful. The expanded egg will shrink when it cools down. Eating breakfast this way is both healthy and delicious, and is perfect for sharing with your family. If you want it to be more delicious, you can sprinkle a little sugar on the eggs, or you can increase the amount of bananas so that the taste will be richer. There are 3,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube, Check it out for more delicious recipes, yeah. There are more delicious easy recipes in my channel, do check them all. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video, yeah.